This video will assist you to understand the graphic application procedure step by step. Let's have a look at the contents of the graphic kit. Your graphic kit contains one graphic set, squeezy for application, shampoo sachet, and the application manual. The other consumables required for application but not included in the kit are lint-free cloth, water spray bottle, isopropyl alcohol, sharp tip pen or cutter. Before applying graphic, we recommend you to wash and clean the vehicle to make the application surface clean. We also recommend you to carry out the graphic application activity in dry and dust-free environment. Before application, the applicator should wash the hands and must not wear any ornaments, watch or belt that may develop these scratches on graphics during the application process. Before starting application process, it is necessary to identify the various graphic parts, and hence we recommend you to follow the part numbers that are printed on the back side of the graphics on release paper and understand the respective positions of the vehicle from the photograph on outer backing of the canister. To prepare the shampoo water, empty shampoo sachet in approximately 3 liters of water. Stir well to mix and then pour it into a spray bottle. The other application fluid to remove tough stains to be prepared by adding approximately 90 ml of isopropyl alcohol into 200 ml of water. Spray shampoo water and clean the application surface with the lint-free cloth. In case of tough stains, spray IPA-based fluid and clean the surface again with the lint-free cloth. Having identified the graphic part and its correct position, hold the graphic in place and verify its alignment on the vehicle. Please refer to the application manual for application reference points for various parts. Remove the release liner and spray shampoo water on adhesive side of the graphic. Then align the graphic and ensure its final position on vehicle as per the application reference points. Now, cover the sharp edge of the squeezy with soft lint-free cloth and apply the smooth overlapping squeezy strokes from center to the outer edges of the graphic to remove the entrapped air and water. Repeat the same procedure to apply the other graphic parts on vehicle. Please wait for approximately 30 to 45 minutes and allow the graphics to build the adhesion with the surface of vehicle. After ensuring the proper surface contact of graphic parts, remove the application film at an angle of 180 degrees to the application surface to expose the graphic. In case of any air or water entrapment, carefully burst the bubble by means of sharp pen tip and release the air or water. Then press the film firmly to ensure proper surface contact with adhesive. Do not wash the vehicle for 24 hours after application of graphic set to build the strong adhesion.